back to my channel. Today I'm coming on here with my very first product review, and I guess you can call it a product review, but I am reviewing a new bag that I just got, or a set of bags that I just got, and I've been waiting the longest to do a review on something like this, but I finally got the opportunity, and here goes. So I actually purchased a Tote&Carry bag, and I am super excited because I waited so long to get these bags. Not that I ordered them and they just took forever to ship, because the shipping was super fast. However, I saw the bag that I wanted and I waited forever to actually purchase it. But I received confirmation on my last flight that I took. I saw a lady at the airport, she had them, and I was like, oh my gosh, I got to have them. So I waited a little while, and they went on sale. And so I'm at work, I'm working, and I saw a pop-up on my phone, and it was the deal of a lifetime, and I had to take it. So I'm super excited to be able to come on here to show you guys what I got. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So guys, this is the box that my bags came in, and not opened them yet. So let's see. This just tells you what's in the box. So I got the neon pink Apollo 2 travel set, and I got the extra large duffel plus the backpack. And let's see, so I have this part on my phone. They retail at $289.99. I got half off. And I just had to get them, because if anything that I want says half off, more than likely 9 times out of 10 I'm going to buy it, because I feel like it is the ultimate freaking deal. So the original price $289.99. My total amount was $152.96, and that is including the route protection, just in case what you're ordering gets lost or whatever. But $152 from $289, I had to get it. Oh my gosh. So I'm so excited that I actually got these bags, and I actually got what I wanted. Most of the time I see something I want, when I finally get the chance to go get it, it's sold out and I have to pick something else, but I got what I wanted. I'm super excited. So here goes nothing. So it seems that they are individually wrapped. And so they come, whoa, they come in this little dust bag. How cute! Oh my gosh. So let me get this, get off of there. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay. I'll cut that part out. So this is vegan leather. So it's not real leather, but I wanted it for a long time. I love it. So this is the backpack, and I cannot wait to go somewhere so I can actually use it.
What is vegan leather?
I don't know. I got to look that up in a minute. We're going to look that up in a minute. Okay. So this one here is the actual, I'm going to put this down. This one here is the extra large duffel. I didn't actually go online to see, look at the dynamics of this duffel, which I probably should have, but this one also comes in the dust bag. But I didn't go online and look at the dynamics of the bag to see if this one, the extra large size, was suitable to be a carry-on. Yeah, it is. It totally is. Oh my gosh. Anybody that knows me know how I feel about pink. Like, pink I just love some pink. So, oh my God. I just cannot wait to use this. It looks really big and really spacious. It feels good. It feels durable. The zippers work. Oh my God, I just love this. But like I said, I caught the deal of a lifetime, and I am so glad that I did not wait around and miss out on that deal. Half off from $2.89. Awesome. So here are my bags, y'all. It's my little backpack. So what I noticed about this backpack, obviously I've never used it, is it comes with this little strap on the back where you could slide over your suitcase in the airport or whatever. Has a zipper here. Has this zipper here. It's a little pocket. And it has like some compartments on the inside of here too. Oh, it's really deep. It's really deep. It goes all the way down here. That is neat. I really like that. That is really, really nice. Like, I cannot wait to use this.
It seems durable.
It is very, very durable. It is awesome. Now, this bag here, the extra large duffel, it has this little zipper on the front. Nice. The zipper comes to about 3/4 there, I'll say. Oh my gosh. Okay, so on the inside there are like 2 pockets and a zip. Can you see that? And it actually comes with a shoulder strap as well. So if you don't want to tote the bag like this, you know, you can put it on your shoulder also. And it comes with the shoulder pad. This is really beautiful. And this is Black owned, Tote&Carry. I actually really love the fact that I was able to get this deal. And if you've been thinking about it, and been thinking about not doing it, you should probably do it. All right, y'all. Well, until next time, this has been lovely. I'll talk to you later. Bye.